Goo glue, boo glue. Hello friends, want to drive a Lamborghini? Whoa. Do not ever drive a real one. First, we have to learn these traffic signs. Guess what this sign is? Of course, it is the stop sign. Here is a demonstration with the stop sign right here with my cars. So, if this car sees this stop sign, he has to stop and let this car pass by, and then he can move on. Stop when you see me. So, here is the stop sign, ahead sign of it. You see it right here? Here is the sign. This car is looking at it. It's this one. So this car is looking at it. And then there's a stop sign there. So when he drives up, he has to stop and then let Pikachu cross. And now he can go on. Prepare to stop when you see me. Guess what this sign is? This one? Yes, it is the pedestrian. Now this is going to be a demonstration with my cars. So, my little Pikachu, he wants to cross, and my big giant truck, he wants to pass by. So now he stops, and now let's Pikachu cross. And now he can move on to the army base. Drive carefully when you see me. Guess what this sign is? Of course, it is the yield. So, for example, if I put the yield sign here, and this car wants to go on the freeway, see it? And this car is passing by. So let this car go first, and now he can merge onto the highway, and now he can keep going on. If you see me, let other cars go first. Guess what this sign is? Yes, it is the traffic light ahead sign. So, if for an example, if I put it here, and this car's coming, so he has to look up, and then he sees this traffic light, so then he has to prepare to stop. So here he stopped, and if now it turned green, now he can go. Get ready to stop if you see me. Oh no, this car is going over speed limit 25 and he's going on a speed 100. Woohoo. Here comes the police car. Wee-oo. He gets a ticket. You know why? Because he was going over speed limit 25 and the speed was 100. So that's why he got a ticket. Watch out for your speed. No overspeeding. So here is the no U-turn sign. Oh no, these cars have made a U-turn. Here comes the police. Wee-oo. Sir, pull on the side. You get a ticket. You know why he got a ticket? It's because the do not U-turn sign means that you cannot take a U-turn. Don't make a U-turn if you see me. So guess what this sign is? Yes, it is the walk to school sign. So if this walk to school sign is here and this heavy recovery truck wants to pass, of course he has to stop. And here comes Pikachu. walking to school. He's back to school. And now he can vroom, 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 go by. Watch out for kids if you see me. These two monster trucks don't know how to pass this area since it has the do not enter sign. How will they pass? They have an idea. So they can go from here and then go onto this road. Do not enter when you see me. I hope you guys know these ways. Yes, these are the do not turn left and do not turn right. So, here are my do not turn left and right signs. Oh no, these two cars are turning right. Here comes the police. Wee-oo, 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 wee-oo. You two kids need to have a ticket. Okay. Now did you know how to do the left, do not turn left and do not turn right work? That means you cannot turn this way or this way. Do not turn left or right if you see me. So guess what this sign is? If you see it? Of course, it is the railroad. So if I put my railroad sign here, this car has to stop. And then here comes the choo-choo, choo-choo, choo-choo. And then let the train go, and now it can go on the road. Oh, there might be a train coming, so be careful and stop. A quick review for our traffic signs. So, here is our stop sign if you can see it. Here is our do not enter sign. Here is our railroad sign. See it? Here is our pedestrian walk to school sign. So the next one is the traffic light ahead sign. This is the do not turn right, do not turn left. Here they are. And here's our stop sign ahead one. And here's our pedestrian. And here is our do not U-turn. Speed limit 25. Or normally you can call it speed limit. And here is our last, yield. So warn your mom and dad, if you don't follow these rules, you will be in a car accident. But if you do follow these rules, you will stay safe and your car will look nice, brand new by not getting crashed into another car. Thanks for watching, and also show your support by subscribing my channel and also following me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye bye.